Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video we'll be cooking all with tempeh. If you guys don't know what tempeh is a fermented product from soybeans that is extremely high in veg protein, and for vegetarians like me, I feel like tempeh is another alternative protein that I could ever find. And today I have tempeh from Hello Tempeh. Now these are their marinated cubes. This is the peri peri masala. They also have different kinds of marinations. This is the spicy tawa masala, and this is the peri peri spicy masala tempeh cubes. You can also use natural tempeh, but I feel like today we're going to use marinated ones. It's a very quick and easy 2-minute process. So let's get started. I'm going to use peri peri today. So let's get to cooking. Tempeh is a high protein tasty veg food. It's extremely low carb and low fat, and it's very good for your gut. It is very easy to cook and super versatile. While the oil is heating up, one of the few ways that you can use these tempeh cubes is you can also literally crush them and use it as a garnish. You can also grate them and use it in different things. I have I think in the morning I have noodles that is left, so I'm gonna add few of these cubes into my noodles and make it like a tempeh noodle kind of thing. So let's do that. Definitely if you're somebody who's a vegetarian and you have to try different kinds of protein, I feel like trying tempeh is gonna be absolutely amazing. Now this tempeh from Hello Tempeh has only 19 grams of protein per 100 grams, and it only has 178 calories. And this fermentation of soybeans is from a non-GMO products. Alrighty, my tempeh is all ready. I just heated up my noodles. So let's mix them all in. Alright, while I enjoy my Hello Tempeh dinner, all the links for these products will be in the description box down below. And once again, this product for a vegetarian, I feel like getting a new source of protein is amazing. I'll enjoy my dinner. See you in the next video. Bye.
Let's go.